Let's take a moment to get familiar with the virtual tester so that you're ready to go when the drawing is revealed. By the way, these video instructions are always available under the menu in the upper left corner. This page is the entry form where you will enter your personal information. In Modelmania, SOLIDWORKS resellers compete against resellers and SOLIDWORKS users compete against users. So choose one of the radio buttons to identify yourself and fill out the personal information. You must accept the official rules before proceeding, and we encourage you to review these rules by clicking this button. When everything is filled out properly, the Enter Modelmania Waiting Room button will be enabled. Click this button and you'll be taken to the waiting room, and at 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time, the drawing for Modelmania 2021 will be revealed. Let's get familiar with this waiting room. At the top of the page, you'll see a countdown to when the drawing will be revealed. Below that is where the Modelmania 2021 drawing will appear. On the right is where you will enter the results, and let's take a look at the instructions. First, do not close the browser. Pretty obvious. You have 30 minutes to model the part and run a simulation. If you've seen previous Modelmania challenges, there was a Phase 2 where changes were to be made. For this year, there will be no Phase 2, so no changes. Just model the part and run a simulation. Since we're virtual this year, participants will use their own seat of SOLIDWORKS on their own computer, and any version of SOLIDWORKS will be accepted. For the simulation part of the challenge, you can use SOLIDWORKS Simulation or Simulation Express. We're only asking to run a simple analysis to determine the factor of safety. Whatever simulation you're using, make sure that it's added in or activated and ready to go. You'll be running your own SOLIDWORKS on your own machine, so feel free to tile your windows or place this browser window on a second monitor, whatever is most comfortable for you. Next, start SOLIDWORKS and create a new part. Make sure that the units of the part are set to millimeters because the drawing is in millimeters. Save that part to your computer and name it with your name and company name. You're now ready. In the virtual tester, feel free to resize this panel or collapse it if you like. At 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time, the countdown timer will reach 0, the Modelmania 2021 drawing will appear, and the timer will start. Wait, I saw what you did. Get your hands off that screen capture button. This is last year's drawing. There will be a new drawing that pops up for Modelmania 2021. So you're now on the clock. Study the drawing and start modeling. As I say to contestants each year, don't overthink it, just model the part. If you click on the drawing, it'll expand to fill the window. Click outside of the drawing to set it back to its original size. At the bottom, there is a button to open the drawing in a new browser tab and a button to print the drawing. But remember, at this point, the timer is counting down. After you model the part and run the simulation, you should save your model. Next, enter the weight of the part in the panel on the right. 2 decimal places is sufficient. Then enter the factor of safety from the simulation. 1 decimal place is fine. And for both, use the period, not comma, as the decimal separator. Make sure your part is saved to your local machine. Then use the Browse button to locate your part and hit the Submit Answer button. The clock will stop as soon as you hit Submit Answer, and your file will be uploaded to the virtual tester. I wish you the best of luck in this challenge, and I hope to see you at the winner's presentation session on Thursday, February 11th at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time.